so I don't have to use another 4-foot piece, because I have 3 more pieces in my attic, or in my basement, or back of my truck, and that's for my fence gate. So it's a little splitty, but I think we'll be fine. Perfect. One more. This thing's really gonna start getting rigid. These here, you'd kind of be a little surprised on how much just these little pieces of 2x6 really. That maybe not that particular one. That should do it, buddy. And then I gotta put one more cross brace from here. I'm gonna run it over to there. That's gonna really firm it up. But for that particular one, I need to grab one out of the basement, and that's gonna be tomorrow, because we are burning midnight oil, and I need to get up at 4:50 a.m. Hey, welcome to Bad Mike's Garage. And I forgot to show you guys the finished box. They're not the prettiest, according to my wife, because I didn't case the entire thing, but I just used scrap wood, and there's like a 2x4 keeping them from spreading apart. And this is what you're going to want to do inside. You don't need to fill them up the whole way with topsoil. You can put all kinds of junk in there, and this one will be, up to here. Leaves, junk, sticks, twigs. It'll still transfer the moisture up through and keep it from drying out as bad. So, this is what they look like. I mean, it's not better homes and gardens, that's for sure, but it's hopefully gonna, they're beefy boys. There's 9 2x6s in each one of these, and I think it should hold up pretty good. So I just did what made sense to me as far as the material at hand, using, try to get the most out of my bang for the buck. I have about $130 to $140 in each one of these boxes, just with the lumber and the metal. So where's nails? I used my framing nailer. You could use screws if you'd want. I just went the quick way. So hopefully everything holds up, and I will let you know. So please like, subscribe, and I'll show you an update here once I get stone put down and the topsoil put in the boxes, and we'll see how those boxes are holding up at that point.